In this problem, we have to show that the given points are the vertices of a rectangle. Rectangle means here we have to find the distance between AB, CD. Distance between AB and CD is equal and BC, AD is also equal. Similarly, distance between AC and BD are equal. So first we will write A is equal to 2 comma minus 2, B is equal to 3 comma 4, C is equal to 5 comma 7, D is equal to minus 1 comma 1. So first we will find the distance between A and B. AB is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. AB is equal to square root of x2 is 8, x1 is 2. So this is 8 minus 2 whole square plus y2 is 4, y1 is minus 2. So 4 minus minus 2. Minus into minus becomes plus. 4 plus 2 is 6 whole square. And this is also 8 minus 2 is 6 whole square. 36 plus 36 becomes 72. AB is equal to square root of 72. Now we will find the distance between BC. BC, the point B is 8 comma 4, the point C is 5 comma 7. BC is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. BC is equal to square root of, this is 5 minus 8. 5 minus 8 whole square plus y2 y1 7 minus 4 whole square. BC is equal to square root of, difference between these two terms is minus 3 whole square and here it is plus 3 whole square. So BC is equal to square root of 9 plus 9 which is equal to 18. BC is equal to square root of 18. Now we have to find out the distance between C and D. C is equal to 5 comma 7, D is equal to minus 1 comma 1. CD is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 minus 1 minus 5 whole square plus y2 minus y1 means minus 1 minus 7 whole square. This becomes minus 6 whole square plus 6 whole square. 36 plus 36. CD is equal to root 72. So here we got AB is root 72, CD is root 72. So here we have AB and CD, both are equal. Now similarly we are finding the distance between D and A. D is equal to minus 1 comma 1, A is equal to 2 comma minus 2. Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is 2 minus 1. 2 minus into minus plus 1 becomes 3 whole square. Y2 is minus 2, y1 is 1. So minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3 whole square. dA is equal to 9 plus 9, 18. So our dA value is square root of 18 and BC answer is also square root of 18. So BC, where it is, BC and DA both are equal. First we got AB and CD are equal. In the next two terms we got BC and DA are equal. Now we have to find these two distances. So distance between AC, distance between BD. BD or DB, we can write anything. Now A, where it is, the point A is 2 comma minus 2, C is 5 comma 7, x1 y1 and x2 y2. So distance between AC is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. AC is equal to square root of, this is 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 whole square is 3 whole square plus next term is 7 minus 2. Minus into minus becomes plus. So 7 plus 2 whole square. 3 3s are 9 and this becomes 9. 9 9s are 81. 81 plus 9 is square root of 90. AC is equal to square root of 90. Similarly, we will find the distance between B and D. B is 8 comma 4, D is minus 1 comma 1. BD is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. BD is equal to, this is minus 1 and minus 8. Minus 1 minus 8 whole square plus 1 minus 4 whole square minus 9 whole square, and it is minus 3 whole square. 9 9s are 81, 3 3s are 9. BD is equal to square root of 90. So here we have AC is square root of 90, BD is square root of 90. So the answers are AB and CD. Distance between AB, distance between CD is equal to square root of 72. Similarly, distance between BC and DA is equal to square root of 18. Next we have AC. Distance between AC and BD is equal to square root of 90. Therefore, the given points are the vertices of a right angle.